it comes to liability insurance, you often hear two terms, occurrence-based and claims-made policies. Both sound similar but serve very different needs. In this video, we will break down the differences and help you make an informed choice that's best for your business. What is an occurrence-based policy? An occurrence-based policy covers incidents that happen during the policy period, even if the claim is made years later. So if the policy was active when the incident took place, you are covered, regardless of when the claim is filed. Example, let's say a faulty product causes an injury in 2021, but the claim is filed in 2023. If you had an occurrence-based policy in 2021, the claim would still be covered, even if the policy is no longer active. What is a claims-made policy? A claims-made policy only covers claims made while the policy is active. Both the incident and the claim must occur within the coverage period. If the policy expires, you are no longer covered, even if the incident happened while the policy was active. Example, if a claim is made in 2023 for an incident that occurred in 2021, but your policy ended in 2022, a claims-made policy won't cover it unless you have additional protection like a retroactive date or tail coverage. Key differences between occurrence-based and claims-made policies. Let's break down the key differences. First, occurrence-based policy. Coverage. Covers incidents during the policy period, no matter when the claim is filed. Expiration impact. Expiring policies still provide coverage for past incidents. Second, claims-made policy. Coverage covers claims only if both the incidents and claim occur during the policy period. Expiration impact. No coverage if the policy has expired, unless tail coverage is in place. Pros and cons of occurrence-based policies. Pros. Long-term coverage. Coverage lasts indefinitely for incidents that happen while the policy is active. Peace of mind. No need for tail coverage or worrying about claims after the policy expires. Cons. Higher premiums. Typically more expensive than claims-made policies due to indefinite coverage. Pros and cons of claims-made policies. Pros. Lower premiums. Initial costs tend to be lower compared to occurrence-based policies. Flexible coverage can be tailored with add-ons like retroactive dates and tail coverage for ongoing protection. Cons. Expiration limits. Once the policy expires, you lose coverage unless you extend it. Risk of gaps. You need to actively maintain the policy to ensure coverage continuity. What is tail coverage? Tail coverage allows you to extend the claims-made policy to cover claims made after the policy ends. It's essential for businesses with potential long-term liabilities, but is usually offered at an additional cost. Choosing the right policy for your business. When deciding between the two policies, consider factors like, first, business nature. If your industry is prone to long-term risks, an occurrence-based policy may offer better protection. Second, budget. Claims-made policies might be more affordable, especially for small businesses. Third, future risk. If you anticipate risks that may lead to delayed claims, occurrence-based policy or adding tail coverage to a claims-made policy is wise. Claim process for both policies. For both policies, the claim process typically involves, first, incident report. Inform your insurer as soon as the incident occurs. Second, submit required documents. Include proof of coverage, incident reports, and any other supporting documents. Third, investigation. The insurer investigates the claims to determine if it falls under your coverage. Fourth, settlement. If approved, the claim is paid out based on policy terms. Best practices for business insurance. To avoid gaps in coverage, here are some best practices. First, regular policy review. Review your policy each year to ensure it still aligns with your business needs. Second, consider tail coverage, especially for higher risk industries where claims might arise after policy expiration. Third, stay informed. Always stay informed of policy changes, renewals, and add-ons options that can protect your business in long term.